What's up, guys? I've got something seriously cool to show you today. The Watchgas RTR software. This software is all about boosting your fleet visibility and helping you provide killer service. It grabs data from your gas detectors through readers, docks, kiosks, and device links and organizes everything in the cloud. Now get this, it's not real-time data, but that's actually a plus. It's a process-driven system, which means lower costs for you. You can customize it for different user groups, and it'll play nice with pretty much any system you're already using. Plus, it's got some sweet features like email notifications and product health monitoring. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so let's talk about how flexible this system is. Every company's different, and the RTR software gets that. You can have multiple sites, each set up in its own unique way. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Rental management. Imagine you're sending out 500 units for a job. You check them in on the rental job site, and when they come back, check them in on the inventory site. Any units not returned, they'll still show up on the rental job. It's that simple, and you can even give your customers login access as an extra service. Whether you're managing a small fleet or a massive operation, the Watchgas RTR software has got you covered. It's seriously impressive stuff, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights. Stay safe, stay informed.